Hello, my name is Kier from Mogware, and I'm going to introduce today and show you a little about some of the features within the Report plugin for FileHamster. To access the Report window, you open up View menu and you click on Report window. And this will pull over the Report window that is a draggable window that you can put anywhere you want in your user interface. I can put it over to the right if I'd like. But for what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it here at the bottom so I can see. The Report window is a window that's going to receive dynamic events from FileHamster clicking in the watch tree. Anywhere I click in this watch tree, it's going to, we'll turn this off real quick, I'll show you that in a sec, but it's going to do a check in the FileHamster database for what files or revisions are in that particular watch. I click through each one of these, you can see it's going to go and do a quick poll, and I can walk down through them. This works across watches or even in subfolders. I can expand these and look deeper in. You'll see that it's always showing just that one revision there, and I can go down here and look inside the update scripts. And so it's a pretty dynamic system, and it shows you right here in this top line which watch or which folder the report window is good for. But what we really created the report window for was for sometimes I did some DVD projects, and the DVD programs I was using to author it had 40 or 50 files that would be hit. Maybe not that many, 20 files that be hit every time I save the DVD program. And sometimes I'd get down a little ways and all of a sudden I'd screw something up and I'm like, I just wish I could roll back everything I did this last hour. This is what the Report plugin was built for. So you can come in here to my FileHamster project and I can say, show me everything that I did in, let me turn on this use selected time date. I could say, show me everything I've done yesterday, the day before, or I can select the whole week and it highlights everything, or I can show just today. And then once I get that, this report window here is kind of dynamic. I can sort it by date, and I can just say, alright, I want to look at everything. This is 2:57, or I can switch that from 3 o'clock. I can do group selections in here, and I can delete these things, I can remove them, I can create some reports, I can protect them. I can copy them all out. Maybe I want to archive these out to somewhere. Kind of gives me some abilities over my project, which is really kind of nice. But what I want to get to into a little bit more is also showing this time range feature. We added this about a month ago in the latest revision of this particular plugin. I can keep my date on the 21st, and I can turn on use time range. And what time range does is it gives me an hour, minutes, and seconds to use on my start and end time. So this is a 14-hour, 56-minute time range, which puts me from 12 a.m. last night to today at 2:56 p.m. Now I can click on this minute thing and I can move it down, and as I go down, you see it changing this time here, 2:53. I can say I want to find everything I did from 2:57 and up, and there's 2:57. I say, yep, those are the files I want to roll back. Grab that whole thing and say restore, and boop, all those revisions are going to get rolled back. Nice little thing also I can do is I can come down here into the show options, and I can say show all the revisions. Green ones will be the most current and black ones will be a bit older, or I can say just show me the newest. And this is kind of nice, so I can say it can take me these old revisions I have, and I don't have a lot of revisions in this particular project. I can say just roll this one back, and it'll roll that one back. And if this report getting slow, you can turn the live updating off, and therefore you can click through everything and then just hit generate report when you want, and it'll generate for you. So that's a quick 5-second tour of the Report plugin. Good luck, everybody.